What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, let's talk a little bit about why you should definitely not make Uber Eats or DoorDash a career. Okay, so before we get into that, please make sure to smash up the like button and hit that subscribe button. I am D, and this is Hustling with D. All right, guys. So why you should not make Uber Eats or DoorDash a career. And for that, I mean, by that, we could expand to really any like sort of careers. The reason I would highly recommend against that is automation. All right. So like the reality is that automation is coming. It is, excuse me, it is sort of already here, right? There already are self-driving cars. It's only getting better, okay? And look, businesses are in the business of making money, right? Of returning a profit. And whether it's through drones, self-driving cars, some combination of the two, something we're unaware of right now, they are 100% going to move away from individuals who are a liability, who they do have to pay well, and towards low maintenance automation. All right. So like now again, I'm not saying like run from DoorDash and Uber Eats right now, but I think we probably have 5 years to 10 years. I'd say 10 years absolute max. So if you're 18 years old right now, right, I'm assuming you don't want to work until you're just 28. I mean, maybe you do, and that would be great. But if you want to have a job when you're 28, you do want to think about where, I would say try to transition away within 2 to 3 years. From my perspective, all right, and it's a little bit different because I'm in a different place than you. DoorDash, Uber Eats, courier services are a part-time solution. They're a part-time fix, or they're just some nice supplementary income. Okay, but the reality is that even if DoorDash and Uber Eats, let's say, choose to not go in that direction, they will be undercut by another company because it'll be easier for the businesses. It'll be easier for them to turn a profit. And obviously easier for the consumers, right? So that's about all I got, guys. Again, make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe to the channel. I'm D, and I'm out.